How to find name settings on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find name settings on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app and then click these three lines in the top corner, and here you will find settings, and then click this one here, account, and not account, click here these three lines and then click on your profile, and here you will find edit. Click edit, and here you will find the name. Just select it and you can change your name to anything you want, and then just click save, and that's it. It's easy, of course. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.